SolidWorks versus FreeCAD, which is better? On paper, this looks like a simple matchup, paid versus free. In real life, that's not the decision that matters. The real tension is what happens after the first model, when you revise, collaborate, and try to turn a design into something that other people can actually use. There's one deciding detail that flips the better answer for most people. I'll hold it until the end because it's the fastest way to avoid the wrong frustration. Let's keep it practical and grounded in real workflows. How I'm comparing them? I'm comparing everyday mechanical design, parts, assemblies, drawings, and how painful changes feel. I'm also looking at stability and predictability, not perfect, just whether you can trust the tool to behave the same way tomorrow. And I'm weighing collaboration. If you need to share files, work with a team, or align to standards, that changes the value of everything. The goal is choosing the tool that fits your reality, not your budget story. Where SolidWorks usually wins, SolidWorks is designed for parametric mechanical engineering. You build parts as feature histories, assemble them with mates, and generate drawings that follow the model. That structure makes revisions feel controlled. Change a dimension, rebuild the model, and related features and drawings can update in a consistent way. SolidWorks also tends to fit well in professional environments where file handoff, repeatable practices, and team expectations matter. The honest trade-off is commitment. It's a serious tool with a serious learning curve, and it's easiest when your workflow is disciplined. SolidWorks usually wins when you need reliable production intent,
where FreeCAD usually wins.
FreeCAD is a powerful option if you want flexibility and access without licensing barriers. It's especially appealing if you like open workflows, community-driven development, and the ability to customize how you work. For many people, FreeCAD becomes a solid choice for learning parametric thinking, building personal projects, or working in environments where you can't justify a commercial tool. The honest trade-off is that your experience can be more variable. Depending on what you're doing, some features may feel less polished and workflows can be less consistent than a tool designed for large teams.
FreeCAD usually wins when you need capability without lock-in.
The deciding detail most people miss. Here's the detail that flips the answer. Do you need guaranteed workflow consistency, or do you need maximum freedom? If you're designing parts for manufacturing, collaborating with others, and you can't afford surprises during revisions, SolidWorks often fits better because the ecosystem is built around predictability. If you're working solo, learning, prototyping, or you need a tool you can use without licensing constraints, FreeCAD often fits better because it keeps you moving without external limits. Now add the practical layer, file handoff. If people around you expect SolidWorks files and conventions, using SolidWorks removes friction. If your world is neutral formats and personal workflows, FreeCAD can be enough. This is general info, not financial or legal advice. If you are choosing software for paid deliverables or compliance-driven work, it's smart to align with project requirements and stakeholder expectations. So which one is better for you? If your priority is professional-grade predictability for parts, assemblies, and drawings, SolidWorks is often the better choice. If your priority is flexibility, learning, and avoiding licensing barriers while still doing serious CAD work, FreeCAD is often the better choice. And the loop resolves here. The better tool isn't paid or free. It's whether you need workflow guarantees or workflow freedom. And don't forget to check the description for helpful resources that will make things easier. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more.